Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the spark plugs on a Ford Fiesta. The first thing to do would be to open the bonnet and disconnect the HD leads. In order to open the spark plugs, you need a 60mm spark plug socket, extension and a ratchet. After you've loosened all the spark plugs, you can take them out using a magnetic pickup tool. After that, you can install the new spark plugs. After you've tightened all the spark plugs, you can put the HD leads back and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.